Hey you guys, SK the Homesteader here. I hope everyone is doing well. Today is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Tuesday, and it's a great day to be out in the yard. And I just wanted to bring you guys a little clip and show you guys how all the brassicas are thriving out here. A combination of collards and broccoli and kale and tender greens. And guess what, you guys? I got some eggplants. And as you can see over there to the right, the collard greens are really thriving. I think I planted those about 2 weeks ago, and they looking really well. So I'm gonna give you guys just a little tour today. So I'll move a little bit faster than usual, but I wanted to show you guys how well the fruit trees was doing. That's the calamondin, and my lemon Myers finally bearing some lemon Myers. So hopefully they'll last and I'll get a harvest out of them. And those are my Nagami Kumquats, and they're beginning to bear fruit. And no, this is the Wari Satsuma. The Kumquat is in the back, which is really getting tall, but she's not bearing any fruit as of yet. And my moringa trees over there are really thriving. As you can see, the pineapples is going crazy. No pineapple fruit yet, but they are multiplying. So they will go in the greenhouse. And this is a recently planted one which needs to go in some soil. And this raised bed didn't do too well. Don't know why, but I reseeded probably 2 or 3 times in here. This one has some carrots growing, and I'm sure they'll make it through the season. And this one is I think this is my lime, and it's so weird how nature is still wanting to work. And you see the little bumblebee there? Yeah, he's still working. I've been seeing a lot of those lately. So everything is doing well. Give y'all some chickens. Look, this one here, this little rascal. I'm tired of chasing this one here, so I just leave him be. But they done been fed, now they resting. Yeah, y'all know they make a full mess. But they doing well. Getting big. They're ready for the freezer. All right, you guys, let's get in here real quick. So these are the collard greens. I think I sowed these up last week, you guys. So we had a downpour yesterday, an unexpected downpour yesterday. Well, last night, and it felt like it was spring. Came down really hard. So okay, you guys, look at this. Isn't that a beautiful sight? Beautiful sight. So yeah, you guys, I have some lettuce. This is a combination of lettuce, tender greens, and I don't know, some Romans came up, Roman salad. Look. So I'm actually getting ready to harvest, and these collard greens is coming along, but that fly is out here, the moth, and over here it's about that time for me to get ready to harvest my sweet potatoes, and you guys wish me luck on them. So most of those leaves will probably go to the chickens, and I'll probably do a little stir fry on them. I told you guys these are edible, and they are very delicious. So this is the sweet potato area. And remember, some watermelon started to grow again, and I just left it alone. So that's what it's looking like over here. And for some reason, the peppers are really thriving, you guys. They're enjoying the lower temperatures. So as you can see, I have to harvest all of these peppers. And I'm sure I'm going to pickle them and share with my neighbor. So this is the other raised bed. If you guys know what this is, I thought it was a herb at first, but whatever it is some type of running beautiful flower. I don't know how I get all the way over here. So if you guys are familiar with this, let me know. I thought it was probably purslane, but I don't think so. So again, this one is filled with lots of tender greens, some lettuce. It's a combination of everything over here, you guys. All right. And let's mosey on down the road, because you guys got to see this. And I got to get this harvest on. Look, you guys. Got eggplants. And they are huge. So I got to get that weight off of them so they could continue to produce. And look how great these collards are looking. Some more. And some more. So I'm going to have to start harvesting a lot, giving away a lot. That's the other bed. And I'll probably do some pressure canning on most of the collard greens. I think I will definitely be doing that, because I love collard greens and I don't want none of my greens going to waste. And there's a lot out here. So okay, this is the pepper lane, you guys. So as you can see, the peppers are still producing. Lots of peppers. So I have work to do. The jalapenos. And look at this big mamma jamma here, you guys. So I gotta get out here and get this harvest on. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little short clip on what my brassica season is looking like. And this is actually some type of tender greens that I just threw in there as well with the eggplant. So what I'm gonna do is come in here and throw some slow release fertilizer in here and give it a kick, and that'll help get some more eggplants while they are still producing. But I definitely have to get the weight off of them. All right, you guys. So let's get over here real quick, because I want to show you guys the fridge. And see that little rascal that's running around? He eating the pak choi, but I don't care. It's all good. All right, you guys. So this is what the raised bread refrigerator is looking like. It is filled with pak choi, and some of them, I think this one on the right, I think I put cabbage and collards over here, but I know for sure I put pak choi on this side. So that's what it's looking like over here. And I got a lot of cleaning to do on this side, you guys. My green onions are still thriving, but I really need to weed out and clean this up. So those are my cut and come again green onions that I purchased, I think, last year. And then I just threw some more in there recently. And these are some of the new ones right here. So don't forget, don't throw those bulbs away, you guys. Sow that bulb root. Okay. All right, you guys. So this is SEK bringing you guys end of October tour. It's crazy. We're getting ready to go into November. And I see some peppers dangling over here. Look at there. And this area too, there's some yams over here. And I have some ratchet eggplants that have been producing, but they're not doing well, but they trying. So who knows what they'll do after a while. All right, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this in the October tour. This is SEK the Homesteaddah, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.